nice, good for rocks, good rocks on the side.
For rocks?
Yeah, like a few big ones.
Like a couple, not like one, just 5 or 3.
Yeah.
That one's in the ground. No, there's none good.
No, not really any good ones here.
I'm going to say to Nessa,
Yeah, stop!
Stop! Nobody stop.
That.
I found some good ones over here. I love feeding the back.
Remember, you have to kick them out first.
Yeah?
Make sure there's no snake. That is a snake. Oh shit. This is the trailer. That was about all for this spot, to be honest.
Right.
Oh. Yeah? Oh, well, me and him can probably walk ahead a bit.
No, I don't know. What about I be in the trailer and you be in the car?
Yeah, good plan. Right.
That one.
It's in the ground, dude.
And you don't want jumbo either.
I can lift them out. Like this one. And it's perfect.
Yeah, so there's a couple down here. Stop this there for me.
Yeah, this is a good pile.
Yeah, I made the pile.
This is ideal. Put on to these.
Go a little bit more for me. Hang on. Yeah. Collecting rocks, filling some creek.
No. The car's struggling now.
Nah, it's fine. Oh, we ran over a rock. We missed some.
Stop, it's good. It's good.
Any good rocks? Keep your eyes peeled. Oh, there's a couple there. I think on this corner.
Stop!
Slow down.
Stop.
There's heaps here. Heaps of good ones here.
Look at the wall.
Yeah. You gonna get in the hill? Oh, still in the bank, to be honest. They're all like real solid, sort of. You might have to get out, Betty, because you might start getting, yeah, rocks.
I'd wait till I can get out and go in the car.
Yeah.
Stop. Stop.
Ready?
You're not playing.
We are. You eat some rocks in. Good fun.
I'm helping you cut.
Oh, here we go. Not bad for 20 minutes work. I reckon I'll fill it here. Really good, let's get it going. Can you go down a little more? Wait, stop there. almost a full trailer, I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah. Very little do it.
Oh, look at this puffball!
Right.
Yeah. Better throw it further than I will.
Now you throw it up and up.
You missed. We breathe, no breath.
Everyone like that.
What? Oh, this is gonna be splashy. This is gonna be real splashy. You need to drain this water before we fucking fill these up.
Are you talking about filling it?
No, he's definitely talking about. Oh, I mean maybe. So it works better with my boot. Just stand back so you don't get sloshed. Yeah, that whole thing's washed out there.
Watch out.
This will be too slow, I'm going to help you. Oh, dust in my elbows. Oh, that was a big splash.
I've got the few.
Definitely should have brought a shovel with us. I thought I left a little hand shovel in the car, but heaps better. Drain to the puddle, you can see it flowing, and fill this in. Filthy. Might be under the seat or something. That'll work. That'll work good.
I'll use that. There's a...
Yeah, I don't know where we put it.
No, you did.
Now look at where it's coming from. It's like in manky, mossy shit. Oh. Can I borrow the shovel? Oh.
Hold on.
You can use that if you want.
I just need something.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix up this puddly, muddy bit. The fucking silt that comes out from the water, eh? And the shovel.
I was trying to dig this silt out.
Yeah, it builds up so fast, eh?
It's still flowing.
Ish, yeah.
Alright, it's about as clean as I'm going to get. Throw it in the trailer. We'll go to the next one.
How'd you get cleaned?
I just rinsed and then wiped it on my clothes.
But my clothes are dirty too.
Yeah, same. My hands are still dirty.
Looks better. Oh, thanks. Don't come off, eh?
What were you doing? Digging mud?
Playing in the mud. I thought you would have been playing in the mud.
Yeah, I've got another one we can share to rinse off if you want. Can you come and pour it for me so I can wash my arms?
No.
What?
So why'd you go that way? You're in the spikies. Grab.
Oh, oh.
That's nice good.
Yeah, there's some at the back here.
So for the next one.
You fucking soaked me.
You put water in.